Hello and welcome. Let's learn about the activities you can do in your free time, your leisure time. We all like to relax in our free time. I go to the beach. I go to the beach. I browse online. I browse online. I go to the park. I go to the park. I exercise. I exercise. I play video games. I play video games. I roller skate. I roller skate. Or I rollerblade. I rollerblade. I play football. I play football. I play basketball. I play basketball. I read. I read. I write. I write. I journal. I journal. I sing. I sing. I listen to music. I listen to music. I play the guitar. I play the guitar. I play the piano. I play the piano. I dance. I dance. I swim. I swim. I do yoga. I do yoga. I do skincare. I do skincare. I walk. I walk or jog. I walk or jog. I do gardening. I do gardening. I bake cakes. I bake cakes. I dive. I dive. I play board games. I play board games. I go camping. I go camping. I go shopping. I go shopping. I paint. I paint. I do crafts. I do crafts. I go cycling. I go cycling. I play sports. I play sports. I watch movies. I watch movies. I play with friends. I play with friends. I go out with friends. I go out with friends. I train in martial arts. I train in martial arts. I crochet. I crochet. I knit. I knit. I sew. I sew. I play tennis. I play tennis. I play badminton. I play badminton. I play cricket. I play cricket. Chat with my friend. Chat with my friend. And relax at home. And relax at home. So, what do you do in your free time? Do you like to stay indoors or do you like to go outdoors? So, read and practice all the activities. Repeat and record your voice and see how you speak. And then join me in the next lesson. Thank you. Goodbye.